Hey, what's up, guys? It's George, and in this video here I want to remind and share about my services that I offer, which is that of one-on-one coaching. And yes, this is a paid service, and no, you absolutely do not need coaching to build a business or to achieve success or really to achieve anything that you want in life. Of course, you can do it on your own. However, there are benefits to having a coach, and some of those benefits are that a coach is someone that is able to see things from a different angle. See, because you're seeing the same things every day, you see yourself, and you're right up close to it, and sometimes you can't see the forest to miss the trees. And so, a coach, they're seeing everything from a bird's eye view. They're seeing things from a different perspective, and so they're able to see things that you don't see, patterns and rituals that may be preventing you from breaking through and having a major breakthrough in your business. And that's one of the main benefits of a coach, is that they can identify and quickly able to help you to recorrect, to create more empowering patterns so that your business takes off and explodes. Now, another benefit to having a coach is that of accountability. It's one thing trying to do something on your own, which of course you can, but it's a whole other thing when you have somebody that's going to be following and monitoring and checking up along your progress. That adds a whole another level of accountability to the picture when you know that someone is going to be checking up. And this is really important, especially if you're a new entrepreneur or new to a business. And the reason why is because the unique thing about being an entrepreneur and being in business for yourself is that you don't have a boss. But that's also one of the worst things about it, that you don't have a boss. And so it can be very easy to slack off, to not do what it is that you need to do. And that's a big reason why most people don't succeed, is that they don't take action doing the very mundane but necessary activities to grow their business. And so having that accountability can really help. Putting some skin in the game through investing in a coach and knowing they're going to be mentoring and following along, that adds some skin in the game. And another benefit to having a coach is that a coach or a mentor is typically somebody that has a high level of expertise in a given area. And this is why many of the top athletes in the world have coaches, and many of the top business professionals in the world have coaches and mentors, because they hire coaches and mentors that have expertise and experience and wisdom in a certain area to help shorten their learning curve. And to me, that is the most valuable aspect of having a coach, is shortening the learning curve, because time is one of the most valuable commodities in the world. We only have so much time. And so, sure, you can learn how to build any business on your own without any help at all. Of course, that's a given. However, say it would take you 5 years to build a notary business, or 5 years to build a very successful medical commodities flipping business or drop shipping business. It take you years to or learn how to build an online social media brand that's generating you money in your sleep. That could take you years to figure out how to do it. Where when you invest in a coach and a mentor, that chops your learning curve and exponentially. It makes it the growth significantly higher. That was one of the reasons why my dropshipping business exploded so fast, was because I had a mentor, a coach that I was paying, that I was working with every single month, and that helped me to be able to explode my growth. And the same thing in just about every business that I've ever been involved in, I've always invested in courses and coaches. And the reason why is because time is valuable. Time is valuable. And rather than spending 5 years or longer to learn how to build a successful business, I wanted to learn how to build it right away. That way I can know exactly what to do, what not to do, and learn from someone else's mistakes and learn from somebody else's years of experience and wisdom so that I can shorten my learning curve and achieve success as quickly as possible. And that's why with a lot of businesses nowadays that I get into, I'm able to achieve success very quickly. And it's not because I'm anybody brilliant or anything like that, but it's because I always invest heavily right away in the coaches, mentors, courses, so that I can get that education, that golden nuggets that you're not going to just find watching free YouTube videos, to be able to shorten my learning curve. That's why I was able to do over $5,000 in phones in my very first month when I started flipping phones, because I invested in courses, in coaching, and in mentorship. And so having a coach can save you time, can help you get to paradise quicker and achieve your dreams, rather than it taking you years to be able to get to a point where you're making enough money with your business to where you can quit your job. Having a coach can help you to be able to get to that point in just a couple of months. Just like now, I've been able to help people who have been able to make full-time incomes within just a couple of months, making full-time incomes. And that's the benefit. This blew past way what I ever did, because that's the benefit of having a coach. You guys can learn from my mistakes, my experience, and my wisdom to know exactly what not to do and what to do. That way you're going to get massive success really quickly. And so I just wanted to put this out there as a reminder, and also just to add onto that expertise. I have been a coach for years now. I've coached hundreds of people one-on-one, and so I do have a lot of experience working with people. And most people that coach with me will absolutely attest that I bring a lot of value to our coaching sessions. My coaching rates are really very reasonable. Most of my mentors and business friends and so forth, when they find out about what my coaching rates are, they think that it's ridiculous. So it's very fortunate that you guys are able to take advantage of this at such a cheap rate. I don't need the money from the coaching. It's not money. I make very good money with my businesses, so I don't need to do. If anything, it's just more work for me, but I do enjoy it. I do get fulfillment from helping people and coaching people. It's a different kind of fulfillment that I receive from it. And so I can only coach so many people a week, but like I said, I've been coaching people for years, hundreds of people one-on-one, so I have a lot of experience working with people. And one of my specialties is that I'm very good at getting to the root cause of what is holding you back, what is preventing you from having that breakthrough, and then helping you to create new patterns in your life, so that way your business, your goals can just crush through. And that's why a lot of people that I work with, by the end of the very first coaching session, they've already seen the value and are already, their business is growing literally while we're on the phone. By the time they get off, they have a game plan, goals, and a whole new level of inspiration. And a lot of people get everything that they need just because I pack so much power into my session, that a lot of people get everything they need even just from one session. That's how much value that I bring to the cause. So I just wanted to put this out there as a reminder for those of you that are following me on here and that have aspirations to become an entrepreneur and to create your own business. And maybe you've already started building a medical commodities test strips flipping business, or maybe you've already started building a notary business or a drop shipping business or an online brand business. That's fine, but regardless, whether you have years experience or you're brand new, I can still help you to take your business to the next level. A lot of people that I work with have been in the given industry for years, and I'm able to help them to take their business absolutely to the next level and to be able to double and triple things. Again, that's the value of having a coach. And so instead of seeing it as an expense, see it as an investment. That I remember one time, this was years ago, when I hired a coach, and I remember it was a spam email. This is a true story. For some reason, I checked the spam section of my email, the junk mail, and I remember there was this spam thing, and it was like, but it was for a network marketing business. I was in a network marketing business at the time. MLM type business, and I remember this guy was like a coach offering secrets to be able to enroll massive people and learn how to, build a thriving network marketing business. And I ended up, and I remember in his email, he had like a webinar that, I clicked on it. This was all from a spam email too, which is funny. I didn't even know who this person was. I remember I clicked on the video, I watched the webinar. I remember at the end of the webinar, it said, because the coaching was like $399 or something, $400, and I remember it said, although this is $400, if you were able to enroll an extra 10 to 15 people a month, would it be worth it to spend $400 one time for this? And I was like, oh my gosh, yeah. If I could enroll an extra, even 5 people a month, then yeah, that would absolutely be worth it. And so that sold me on it. I bought the coaching. And sure enough, after that, my business started taking off like crazy. I started doubling and tripling my enrollment, and I started making a lot more money, and easily paid off the course within, the coaching within the first month. And I remember thinking back how, like, wow, if I wouldn't have done that, then I wouldn't have advanced my business, and I wouldn't have gone on to achieve the level of success that I did if I had had that broke mindset, in seeing it as an expense rather than an investment. But I saw it as an investment. All right, it's an investment. I put $400 in, but this is going to make me a lot more money. So that's the way that you got to look at it. Instead of thinking, oh gosh, coaching is an expense. No, it's an investment. If you spend a couple $100 on a month of coaching sessions with me, but you're able to make an extra $50,000 a year, was that worth it? Well, I hope that the answer is yes to that. And so, see what I mean? That's where you got to look at it, as like an investment. Don't have that broke mindset in looking at it as an expense. So guys, like I said, I just wanted to put this out there as a reminder for those of you guys that want to become an entrepreneur or want to take your business to the next level. There's nothing wrong with asking for help and getting a mentor and a coach. If anything, that is more of a sign of maturity and more being a man, being willing to ask for help and get mentoring and coach. A good leader is an even better follower. I've hired many coaches and bought many courses throughout my life, and I will continue to do so. So there's nothing wrong with asking for help, because it'll help shorten your learning curve. It'll help take the frustration out of your life and help you to make some more money, crush through your goals. So again, like I said, I put this out there as a reminder for those that would like to learn how to make money with their business, take their business to the next level, have some accountability. Then reach on out. I'll put a link in the description so you can apply for coaching with me. I do review all the applications, and I only respond to the ones that I feel that we're going to be a good fit for each other. So if I read something ridiculous in the application, then of course I'm not going to respond to it. Or if you just sounds like you're not serious at all about getting help, then I'm not going to respond to you. But as long as I can tell that you're hungry and you actually do want to be helped, because I only like helping and coaching people that want to be helped. I don't want to have to drag you along. And so as long as I can see that you have that drive and I'm not going to have to push you the whole time, then I'll be glad to work with you, and it'll be a lot of fun. So I'll put a link in the description that you can check out and apply, and I'll get back with you. And until next time, guys, keep crushing it. Make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.